Hey guys, it's Daiju. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing my makeup with only disposable makeup sponges. So if you're like a little bit confused, I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. So these are like reusable makeup sponges. So basically, I'm sure you guys are familiar, especially if you like do makeup or whatever. So basically, there's just these little triangle little things that you use for like makeup, especially if you're a makeup artist and have a lot of like clients, and it's really unsanitary to reuse a sponge. So you use these disposable, that's the reusable disposable makeup sponges. So yeah, my neighbor gave me this whole, because she knows I like do makeup or whatever, so she gave me this whole literally huge box filled up with reusable makeup sponges. So I was like, you know what, let's just do a full face only using these reusable, I keep saying reusable, with these disposable, if I say reusable, just know I mean disposable makeup sponges. So I know that this video is probably gonna end up being a mess, but it's all fun and games. So I'm just doing this video today for fun. Obviously I don't think that this is like something that you could possibly do. I mean, for foundation and stuff, we'll see how interesting that turns out. I've never used disposable sponges before, so we'll see how everything turns out. And as you can see, my eyebrows are not done because I'm going to be doing my eyebrows with this sponge and everything. We're literally doing every single part of my makeup routine with the sponges, except for like spooling my eyebrows, because like you can't do that with the sponge. But like literally eyebrows, eyeshadow, eyeliner, concealer, all that good stuff, I just feel like it'll be fun and just a little like challenge. So yeah, I don't know if anyone's did this before. They probably did on YouTube, on social media, on the internet. I feel like nothing's really first. It pretty much started somewhere and you're probably not the first, but I haven't seen anyone. I also haven't looked. So if someone did this before, you can comment down below or tag them or whatever. But yeah, I don't know if anybody did this before. So if you try out this challenge, you can tag me on Instagram or whatever. Yeah, this should be fun. So like I said, I'm pretty sure this is gonna look a hot mess at the end, so don't think this is gonna be one of those videos where everything looks great at the end, because it's not that. So yeah, if you guys want to see me do my makeup with a full face of disposable makeup sponges, then just keep on watching. I didn't even wet my usual sponges. Like, this is literally dry, so I don't even have anything pulling me towards being able to use them, because like I said, that's off limits. Let me zoom in so you guys can see, because it's a challenge, so you want to see how it looks up close and personal. So let's do that. Like I said, I will be using an eyebrow spoolie, just because like that's the only thing that can move my brows. If I don't use this, then it kind of like won't work, because the sponges won't move the hairs. So yeah, now that I have that, I'm just gonna take, oh god, I'm trying to think if I want to cut this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna cut this just so it's smaller. That's not cheating, right? No, I don't think that's cheating, like cutting it into a specific size. Also, this like a challenge, like if you leave town and this is the only thing that you brought with you, we can see how it goes. So we're just gonna use a palette today, because that's doing literally nothing. So I'm gonna take the Lorac gold palette, and I'm gonna take unedited on the sharp part of the sponge. I don't know why I'm talking like this, it's tutorial. And I'm just gonna start to like do my eyebrows with it. This feels so ridiculous. Actually, it doesn't look that bad. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me, oh my god, something went wrong with this brow. And now I'm gonna try to conceal my eyebrows. Wish me luck. This video is already a train wreck. Okay, I'm gonna take the Makeup Revolution concealer, define concealer, and yes, if you have these concealers, you can use the brush on this, but that's not the point of this video. Okay, the point is to see what we can get. And I'm gonna take the other pointed side. This is a look. That actually worked pretty well. You know, it doesn't look too bad. It definitely looks like I did it in the dark, but not too bad. I'm lying, this looks a hot mess, especially this one. Let me try to fix this brow. Okay, you know what? Let me tell you something. Like, hello? This looks kind of good. Okay, and real quick, this is the only thing I'm going to be using is just some brow gel just to seal that so it doesn't move. It doesn't affect the way the brows look. It just seals them in. I'm going to conceal my eyes, and like I said, I usually just put it on with the applicator, but that's against the rules today, so I'm just gonna put it on my hand. I'm gonna take a full sponge and just tap it on to my eye. This one is the easy part, like conceal. I feel like the face stuff is gonna be the easy part because, like, yes, I never used these before, but a sponge is a sponge. You're not supposed to wet these, right? I'm gonna Google it. A sponge is a sponge, but eyeshadow, I don't even know what I'm gonna do. Let's get to eyeshadow. Let's add some color. Let's add some orange. See if that'll make any difference. Now hear me out. I'm gonna take, in the Alexa Stone palette, I'm gonna take the darkest red. I'm gonna kind of do a little wing type thing. This is the best way I can think of to make it look semi-okay. See? Don't look too bad. Now I'm gonna take some of the light pink and put that in the front where I kind of put that orange before. I did so many different looks in the span of like a second. It's like crazy. I mean, hey. Now I'm gonna take some concealer. Obviously it's sponge, I don't even have to say it at this point. And try to clean this up. And I'm gonna also put some under my eye just to get prepped for like foundation stuff. I mean, it doesn't match what my outfit is at all. I'll change my shirt at the end to match, but let's just move into foundation. Okay, I'm gonna take some foundation and I'm gonna put it on the mirror that I use. Not on the mirror, but like I need to get one of those palette that you can use. I'm just gonna start putting it on. It's like blending so nicely. It does soak up a lot of foundation though. I feel like if I was able to, like, I guess I can use my fingers, but I hate getting my fingers dirty, so I'm not doing that. But I feel like if I could use a brush to apply it onto my face like I usually do, and then go into with this, it would be like magnificent. Not magnificent, but like pretty good, because it looks really good. Like, it looks like skin texture. Okay, now let's try to do concealer. I think I went a little bit overboard on the under eye, but we can fix it. Wow, this is looking so good on my face. Everything's like blending really nicely. It's kind of just like melting into the face. It's like kind of crazy. Then you look at my brows and shadow and you're just like, ooh, what happened there? Wow. Now we're gonna do powder. Wow, even the powder is kind of going on like better. I'm in complete shock. Now what I'm worried about is other products, so like powder, blush, highlight. So first let's try to do like bronzer or whatever. I'm just gonna lightly dip into it. Alright, that looks a little harsh and crazy, but we gonna ignore it for now. Now let's do blush. Alright, it's starting to look a little worse now that I'm applying the powder. I kind of want to do a good amount of blush just because the eye look is pink. We're gonna do highlighter. Alright, and I like to do a little Cupid's bow highlight and a very intense nose highlight. And I know I said that I wasn't going to, but I think I'm gonna try to do under eye makeup. So I'm just gonna take the very sharpest part, the third pink in the Alexa Stone palette, and basically just stamp that under my eye. Okay, and then I'm gonna go off camera and put on lashes. Like I said, I'm gonna put them on how I regularly do because I feel like if I try to do anything with the sponges, it's gonna ruin my lashes, my tweezers, my glue, everything. I just don't want to deal. And then I'm gonna put on setting spray, and then I'll come back. Like I said, I'll change my shirt so it matches, and then I'll come back and give you guys the finished result and everything. I'm not gonna touch anything on the face, and I don't think I'm gonna do a lip. I might just do gloss, but if I decide to do a lip, I'll come back and do that with you guys. I'm not gonna touch anything on the face, so it's not like cheating or whatever. I'm just gonna put on lashes and then some more setting spray. So are you guys ready for this? Because honestly, it looks kind of good. Like, hello? From a distance, I look like a baddie. Like, you can't tell me nothing. Not me being able to successfully do a full face with disposable makeup sponges. Hello? Yeah, no, I'm sorry. I'm too busy being the baddest. Sorry. I'm just kidding. But like, can you believe it? From a distance, y'all gonna be like, hey girl, your makeup. I'm gonna show y'all a close-up of the eyeshadow because it don't look good. The eyebrows look a little wonky as well. The face, hello, it's fire. Close up, far away, anything. But the eyes, close up, look a mess. Alright, this is what it looks like close up. It don't look good. Like this eye, no, it doesn't look good. The eyeshadow, but like the face looks pretty good. The eyeshadow doesn't look good close up, but from a distance, like you guys seen, it looks fine. But like this is what it looks like close up. Yeah. This video was so fun. I'm not even gonna lie. Like usually I start getting like anxious and like stuff like that when stuff starts turning out bad, but I was like, I warned you guys. I kind of went into it knowing that stuff was gonna look bad, so I was just kind of having fun with it, and fun I did have, and it kind of looks good. Like from a distance, it looks good. I wonder what it looks like on like selfie. Let's see. It kind of looks good. I'm kind of mad that I didn't do a TikTok because I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna put it in. Like I'm in shock right now because it looks good. Like from a distance, obviously, like I said, when you start getting close up, you like, all right, step back, because it don't look that good. But other than that, wow. Okay, period. This video, like I said, was so fun to do. I definitely recommend it. I literally used like a pack of these disposable sponges, and I still have this big old box. If you're a makeup artist, hit me up because I'll send you like 10 packs of these just for nothing, because like I know y'all be using them, and I'm gonna use them, but not enough for like a whole box full. So hit me up if you need some disposable sponges. I'm being serious. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff is on the screen right here. It'll also be in the description box down below. This video was so much fun. If you guys do this challenge, tag me on Instagram and all that good stuff, because I want to see how you guys has turned out. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Subscribe, watch another video, because you're already here.